In 1976, a man pulled off the most brilliant bank heist in history, and then vanished into thin air. Albert Spaggiari had his eyes on the Société Générale bank vault in Nice in France, but instead of going through the front door, he went underneath it. For 2 months his crew dug 25 feet underground. They only worked weekends, pumped out water, hauled away tons of dirt without anyone noticing. They rented a building nearby as cover, built sophisticated lighting and ventilation in their tunnel. When they finally broke through, they spent an entire weekend emptying 317 safe deposit boxes, over $10 million in cash, gold, and jewelry. They left behind a note that read, "Without weapons, without violence, without hate." The tunnel was so perfectly engineered that police thought it was impossible. When they finally caught Spaggiari, he was brought in for questioning. During his court hearing, he did something nobody expected. He jumped through a courthouse window and escaped. He was never seen again.